and say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
Hey y'all, welcome back. We're referring you to another fall clean with me, and today we're doing some baking my way, as in this is always shaking because I just opened the door. If y'all saw the grocery haul, you know that I picked up some Pillsbury pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls, and I want to try those with y'all. So to get all this energy to do a little bit of more fall cleaning, we're gonna make those cinnamon rolls right now.
'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
So preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then I let these cook for about 11 minutes. And I think on the can it said 11 to 14 minutes, so it just depends on your oven. But while those are baking, I'm going to get these dishes done, because the first thing I want to deep clean in this video is my sink, and we're going to be using the pink stuff. I love the paste, so good. It reminds me of Comet or Barkeeper's Friend, but because it's in the paste form, I feel like you don't lose all the product. Whenever I use Comet, it's powder, it just goes everywhere, and I feel like I'm just wasting a ton of product. But I'm also using the Cucina, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a dish liquid in an apple scent from Avon, so I'll have that link down below. And any products that I mention in this video, I will have linked in the description box down below, so it's easy for y'all to find. And most likely those are affiliate links, so I just wanted to be transparent with that. Anytime I mention a product, it is most likely going to be a commissionable link. Started off just by using the sponge that I will wash in the wash machine after this use, and I just got it all over the sink, and then I went for my Vac Life spin scrubber, electric spin scrubber. That thing is amazing. Y'all know, like in every video so far during the fall cleaning series, I think I have used it, because you can use it on so many different things. So that will be linked down below as well. But they have all sorts of different attachments that you can put on here, different sizes. But I thought this one would be perfect because it fits perfectly in the actual drain, which is sometimes the hardest part to get clean. So just watch the cleaning satisfaction along with me, and then I will show y'all what it looks like at the end, like in real time, my like feedback and everything.
I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. No drinking while I'm by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or
because I do not have a like water sprayer coming out of my faucet, I'm using the Pink Stuff multi-surface spray just to like get an extra shine and make sure that I cleaned up all of that paste really well so it doesn't leave a weird residue or like foggy look to it. Look how shiny this sink is. Well, this trailer is from 1997, which means this sink is that old, if not older, and so good, so clean. Very happy.
Catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, but drinking where I'm by an open fire, make love on fire. This or that.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me.
Alright, I told y'all I would try these on camera for you so that you know if they're worth picking up or not. Now, I love pumpkin spice anything, so I am pretty positive this is going to be good. Also, these are massive. But, it's good. There's a lot more cinnamon flavor with a hint of pumpkin. So if you love a little bit of pumpkin, it almost reminds me of a pumpkin frappuccino. Speaking of, we're going to make some iced coffee and try that Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice.
Even though I wanted to, I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Alright, let's taste it. Definitely don't have to go to Starbucks. This is really good. This like gives me the fix. If you have like those you know, the reusable Starbucks cups or whatever, it will literally feel like you went and ordered a $6 drink. That is good.
I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself.
Okay, so the next thing I want to do, it's so blurry, is declutter this up here. Also, I've switched my calendar, so I love doing this. Now, I love seeing the new picture. This one's got sunflowers on it. Perfect for September. But I'm going to declutter this. I'm pretty sure that red is pretty like yeasty smelling, if y'all know what I mean. And so I'm gonna switch it out with this one. But if y'all have never seen these before, you could get them. Can you get these at Dollar Tree? He doesn't know. But they're just like bread savers. So cool with the lid. So that's what we're gonna work on now.
Never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
I was just telling Aaron, my goal for this basket is just to use it for bread. Everything else that was in here is actually just a bunch of junk that doesn't even belong in a kitchen. But you know how it goes, you find something to hide it in, and that's what you do. You just hide it. Also, some of you already know this because y'all found them too. I got this at the Dollar General, and I see it just about every time I go in there, near the picture frames, wall art, stuff like that. That's where this is. So we're gonna fill it up with all our bread.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
so that's all I'm putting up there is the breads, and then big bag of pancake mix and a giant thing of oil, and I'll find other places to put the small things that were up there. Now I need to do the same thing over here. The trash needs to be taken out. All of this stuff is Aaron's. I don't mind the batteries being in here because they are heavy to lug back and forth, so I'm going to move that box of soda, put the batteries underneath there, and just declutter these up here. Okay, well Aaron just said he'll put up in this room, so I'll let him do that. We will get the rest of this declutter, because a lot of it is me just putting stuff in here that doesn't go in here.
Bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
Alright, so all that's left is like some room sprays, cleaning product, my wax melts, and a few other things. And then in this little pouch, I have a lot of like charger blocks, some hand sanitizer for on the go, and all my cookbooks and a notebook for any kind of list I need to make. Alright y'all, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back here on Monday for another video. If you need more fall cleaning motivation, I will have the fall playlist right here. There's a big huge shop with me in there. Me and Aaron went and saw went to Target, saw school supplies, even though we don't have any kids, but I know a lot of y'all do. And then we went to Hobby Lobby that day and we saw all the fall decor that they have. I think that's all we went to that day. And then there's quite a few videos in that playlist that are pre-fall, like getting decorating ready, and lots of cleaning motivation. So definitely check out that playlist if you need more inspiration today, and I will see y'all back here on Monday. Bye!